that I made up. You say my name like words that I made up. You say my name like.
What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Be So Fitted. I'm back and I'm better than ever. And this time I'm gonna be giving you an unboxing slash review on the MCM M Move Visetos backpack. That was a little bit complicated to remember, but I remembered it. This is actually my second unboxing and review on an MCM backpack, and this is actually my second MCM backpack. Right here, this is my original and my first one, and you can see it has the MCM dust bag right there. As you can see, it's separated into 3 colors, so it's a very dope colorway. It is black, white, and red, and it has a silver reflective stripe separating the backpack down the middle. Very clean color. Now, without further ado, let's unbox this Move Walking backpack. This is dope. I did not want to spend any money for this Black Friday, but the price that I got this backpack for is a steal of a deal, and I didn't give a damn. I knew I needed it. So, as you can see right here, the Stark M Move Visetos backpack. And it is a brown, red, and white colorway. I'll show you guys in a second. But look at the price that I got it for. $404 out the door. But hey, check this out. If you sign up for Saks Fifth Avenue's email rewards, whatever you want to call it, if you put in your email, they will email you a 10% discount. I actually already used a $50 off code and a free shipping code. But what I did was, I took a chance. I ordered the backpack already, but I called them and said, hey, I forgot to apply the discount, the 10% off that I got in my email, and they were able to apply it. Long story short, I ended up saving on tax too. So again, I paid $404, but since I was able to save on tax, I only ended up paying the $370 that you can see right there. So $370 for an MCM backpack, that is a great deal. Now let's bust this out. Now I already know I have this similar style, but dude, for the price that I paid, this is a $1,000 backpack right here, and I got it for $360. Of course I was gonna get it. It seems a little bit smaller than this one, but let's compare it side by side. No, it is the same size, yo. So that right there, again, you got the silver reflective stripe separating the colors. The materials are very premium. Now let's compare it side by side for you guys. Take off the dust bag real quick. Real clean right there. The material of the back of the bag, the padding, is different. This is more mesh-like. And then this one, I don't know, the padding is like thicker on this one, if you can see that. But what I like is on the straps, they have the repeating MCM logo and pattern down each of them. Very clean. So look, $895 after tax. It'll be damn near $1,000. Same thing with this one, damn near $1,000. Now I got this one over at the Cabazon outlets down near Morongo, if you're aware of where that is. And again, this one I got on the Saks website. Very dope. Now let's see what comes inside the backpack itself. So it's heavily padded to help keep its shape, and it is stuffed quite a good amount. Let's take all this stuff out. And yep, there is a dust bag, hell yeah. As you can see right there, it comes with a packaged dust bag, and it looks exactly like this, and it fits an MCM backpack perfectly. So it is nice and big, and this is so that you can keep the leather nice and clean when you aren't using the backpack. It's got 2 main zipper compartments. You can fit a bunch of pencils, a calculator, your phone, sunglasses, anything you need. It has quite a lot of space, and you can fit that here in the front zipper pocket. As for the main compartment, it has a laptop sleeve right there. It is heavily padded on the back, so you're nice and comfortable. What else am I missing? Got the leather strap right there. And this is actually a dope part of the backpack in my opinion. And it's got MCM repeating all over the nylon straps right there. to attach the straps to the backpack itself. Now, my final thoughts on the backpack. Am I happy with this buy? Oh, absolutely. I paid, again, $370 for an authentic MCM backpack from Saks Fifth Avenue's website. This is a steal of a deal because I initially got this one for $600 and I thought that was already very cheap. Everyone nowadays has the simple, plain, one color MCM backpacks, but the fact that mine are separated into 3 different colors, I think that's very dope and unique. I've never personally seen these 2 colorways until this year, but now that I have both of them, I am very extremely happy. I'm probably going to use this one for my school backpack because it was cheap enough, and this is probably still going to remain as my traveling backpack whenever I go to different countries, stuff like that. But as far as the unboxing goes on the MCM M Move Visetos backpack, that is all I have for you guys. Now let me show you guys what it looks like on me. Alright y'all, so this is what my first one looks like on my back. Very dope. And it holds its shape pretty damn well. And this is what it looks like. Front view, very clean. I think the red is very, very aggressive and it pops out. And it is really comfortable. There's a lot of stuff in here and it's somewhat heavy, but no, it's very comfortable. And you can see it doesn't hang too high or too low right off the bat. Like this is the way it came. I didn't adjust any of the straps or none of that. So right there, it already looks pretty good. And let me show you the other colorway that I just recently got. I ordered this last Wednesday. This is part of Saks early Black Friday deal. And it came today, which is a Monday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sundays aren't included. Came in 4 days for free shipping, so not bad, very quick. This is what it looks like with the front view. I do love the brown, the white is very clean, and the red on the bottom is very nice. That is the on-person look. MCM makes very high quality bags, in my honest opinion. The only complaint I have about these backpacks are the zippers are very stiff and it's kind of hard to unzip sometimes and it gets caught. But it's the give and the take. For the most part, I can't really complain, especially with the price that I got this one for. Oh, and that's actually pretty cool. You see the zippers are red, so it kind of pops and stands out in contrast to the upper of the backpack since it is brown and white. So, as far as the unboxing / review goes on the MCM M Move Visetos backpack, that is all I have for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the review video and I hope it was very helpful. As far as copying MCM bags for a good deal, hit up your local MCM outlets. Do avoid going to malls and do avoid going on the actual MCM website. As you can see, you can very much so buy an MCM backpack for under $500. So if you can do that, I very much so recommend waiting. But if you need to have it, again, max after everything, including tax, I would say no more than $600 for sure. But as far as that goes, that is all I have for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for me. Love y'all. Only way is up. Stay saucy for me. We out, baby.
Bino, will you be my baby dad? Yeah. I'm too fresh, man, the world ain't never had me. Yeah, I'm too fresh, man, y'all ain't never gave me that. Stone Mountain, ain't no doubt, man, these niggas won't hold me back. They wasn't hating them anyway. My roommate exercise, man, he moving that heavyweight.